Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox technical difficulties problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, first type type here background apps. Now turn off the first option here and then type here Windows Update Settings, and here's it. Click on it. Now click check for updates, and that's it. Just wait and install all the updates that you will find here. Click download and install, and that's it. After that you'll just right click on Roblox and click run as administrator, and that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.